Have a good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Cherilyn Suarez, 45 years old, married, have 4 kids. Ages 25, 24, 16, and 13 years. And I am a college level. I've been worked before in Amman, Jordan for the 6 years. I serve as 6th member of the family. Ages 78 years, 52 years, 28 years, 25, 18, and 7 years old kids. My duties and responsibility, I do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, cooking, washing dishes, washing car, and most of all, I taken care my madam sick. And my second experience, it was in Doha, Qatar. I serve as 7th member of the family. Ages 78 years, 64 years, 40 years, 32 years, 16 years, 5 years, and 3 years kids. My duties and responsibility, I do cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, washing dishes, washing car, and most of all, I taking care the kids, the 5 years old, 3 years old, while madam is not at home. And I taking care also the 1 cat. Mom and Sir, if you given me a chance to work with your family, I promise you that I do my duties and responsibilities. Mom, I am easy to learn, and I am a dedicated, honest, trustworthy, and loving kids as mine. Thank you and God bless.